Now let's review this figure 21-59, and we're determining a Class 1 Zone 0 location in accordance with NEC 505.5B1. Now notice in the little Zone 0 it shows in the illustration where the Zone 0 is located inside this tank. And of course the vapor's there for 1,000 hours or more. So we know then that this is a Zone 0 area because it'd be considered there continuously or for long periods of time, is illustrated in the boxed in information titled Zone 0 below the illustration. So that's basically what this figure 21-59 is illustrating is your Zone 0 is inside the tank area.